Hi everyone, my name is Lohit and welcome to my channel Lohit Bade. In this video today I am going to show you that how to configure a Windows 10 clone. So before configuring it as a Windows 10 clone, we need to explain about the basics of what is the clone. So before explaining the clone also I'm going to explain it as a Windows 10 OS. What are the different types of Windows 10 OS? What is VMware Workstation? How to configure the Windows 10 in a VMware Workstation? And how to install the Windows 10 Pro in a VMware Workstation. So first of all, I am going to explain it as a what is Windows 10 OS. So Windows 10 is an operating system which is developed by the Microsoft. It manages computer hardware and software and allows users to run the applications, browse the internet, manage files, and perform the daily task. So use the friendly interface, start the menu, and we need to build in the security like a Windows Defender, multitasking, and support many applications and devices. So what are the types of OS is Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Enterprise, Windows 10 Education, and Windows 10 Workstations. So first of all, Windows 10 Home means it is used only for the home users. Windows 10 Pro, Pro means it's a professionals for business or businesses, and go to the enterprises. There is only a large organizations with advanced security. Education. E- Education is works only for the students. That means schools and colleges. So Windows 10 Pro for workstation. So Windows 10 Pro for workstation is only for the high performance of this computer. So um, and now we are coming to the next point is VMware. So VMware workstation. So VMware means virtual machine ware workstation. So virtual machine ware workstation is a virtualization software that allows you to create and run the multiple virtual computers like virtual machines on a single physical computer. So what are the uses of this VMware workstation? First of all, we need to install as a different operating systems. We need to test the software. We need to practice the network and system administration, and after we need to learn about the affecting with the main computer. So first of all, how to configure the Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. So how to configure the Windows 10? So first of all, before configuring this Windows 10 in VMware, what we need to have is we should have a Windows 10 ISO file, and you should have a VMware Workstation Pro app. So first of all, you need to go to this website as Broadcom support portal. So you need to log in, and you need to mention your username, enter password, and then you need to search for VMware Workstation Pro. Click on search for VMware Workstation Pro. Okay. And now here they are showing that my downloads is there, no? So you need to search for VMware Workstation Pro. That means you need to go to my downloads. Click on my downloads. After you have clicked as my downloads, here they are showing that free software downloads available. Here is there, no? So here is the link. So you need to click on this link here link. And after that you need to search for VMware Workstation Pro. See, here you can find it. in VMware Workstation Pro, you need to click on this VMware Workstation Pro. You need to select as a latest version of VMware Workstation Pro. Click on this latest version. This was the just for example I'm showing you here, everyone. So after you have clicked as a latest version of VMware Workstation Pro Windows, here you need to click on this download it. So I have already installed it as a download, so that's why this was the example I am showing you. And after that you should have a Windows 10 ISO file, Windows Server ISO file. These two ISO files you should have compulsorily. And okay, now we need to close this, and we need to go to this VMware. So first of all, here you need to click on this create a new virtual machine. That means you need to open a VMware workstation and click on create a new virtual machine. Click on next, and after that you need to select as a typical installation as a I will be install the operating system later. Is there no? So I have already selected as a I will install the operating system later. Click on next. So I'm using it as a Windows 10 ISO file. So click on next. So I'm going to create a new virtual machine. Name is Lohit Windows. Otherwise I am going to mention as a Lohit PC1. Click on copy. Click on browse this. I am going to create this folder in virtual machine in documents. You need to click on this make a new folder. Enter the folder name Lohit PC. This is the Lohit PC I am created. So you need to in this Lohit select this Lohit PC, and then after that you need to click on make a new folder. Click on remove this. I need to remove this. Click on delete. Click on make a new folder. Select this Lohit PC1 folder. Click on OK. Click on next. Instead of 60 GB, I am going to decrease the GB as a 30 GB. 30 GB or 40 GB as your wish, or what you how much you want to enter the GB you can enter. So and after that I am going to select as a single virtual disk as a single file, and click on next. Click on finish. Before power on to this virtual machine, first of all here what we need to do is you need to insert the Windows 10 ISO file. Here CD or DVD SATA is there now. So here they are showing that there is a auto detected. So auto detected to you need to insert the Windows 10 ISO file. That means here what we need to do is you need to click on this edit virtual machine settings. Go to CD or DVD SATA. Use ISO image file. Click on OK. So before click on OK, first of all you need to go to this display option. You need to untick as a accelerate 3D graphics. You need to untick as a automatically adjust, and you need to select stretch mode and click on select as a free stretch, and click on go to options, and in this option you need to go to this advanced options. See before power on to this Windows ISO, so whether we need either we need to check whether this is in BIOS or UEFI. So if it is in UEFI, so you need to click on OK. So well, if it this Windows ISO is in BIOS mode, so we need to change it into this UEFI. Okay, now we need my file is on UEFI only, so I'm going to click on this OK. And after that you need to power on this virtual machine. See, now I'm going to click on this power on this virtual machine. Click on OK. Click on power on. Click on OK. You need to right click on this mouse immediately. You need to right click on this mouse immediately. Yes, it will work. It is now it is working. Now we are going to install this Windows Windows in VMware Workstation Pro. Now we are going to install this Windows 10 in VMware Workstation Pro. Let's wait. Instead of English United States, I am going to select as India only. Click on next. Click on install now. And we need to click on I don't have a product key and select Windows 10 Pro. See, why I have selected as a Windows 10 Pro means if you have selected as a Windows 10 Pro, you will be get a different types of new features in the Windows 10 Pro. If you have selected home, it will be not get any. You will be get a less features in Windows 10 Home. So but I have selected as a Windows 10 Pro, so I'm going to click on this next. Click on accept the license terms. Click on next. Select this custom. So first of all, before installing this Windows 10 software, whether it is in MBR or GPT, first of all we need to check it. So first of all, if my Windows is running in MBR, so then we need to convert into this GPT right now. So that means how to convert this MBR to GPT. So that means first of all here what we need to do is you need to click on Shift plus F10. After you have mentioned as a after you have clicked as a Shift plus F10, here you need to mention as a disk part. Click on enter. Mention list disk. See, here they are showing that. So in the disk 0, here they are showing that there is no star. So in the GPT there is no star is there, no? So the no star is equal to MBR. So now we are going to convert into this GPT from MBR to GPT. First of all, before converting this MBR to GPT, what we need to do is you need to enter select disk 0, enter, and after that now we need to enter, clean this disk, and after that now we need to enter convert GPT, enter, mention list disk. We need to answer we need to exit as a disk part, and after that we need to exit as a CMD. Click on refresh it. And after that you need to click on this next. See, now here they are showing that here they are showing that there is only 0%. Currently it's a 0% got now. So we need to increase those more percent within few minutes. That means here we need to click on this shift plus F10, mention as task manager, MGR. MGR is a form of manager, so task manager. So here you need to go to this process option, select setup, right click, go to set priority, click on real time and click on change priority. In the same way you need to go to the second setup, right click, go to set priority, click on real time, and click on change priority. And we need to click on this exit, and you need to mention as exit. See, now it is increasing right now. So let's wait. It will take between 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is increasing automatically fastly, no? So let's wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the windows will be restart automatically. Now the Windows 10 OS is installing in VMware workstation. So let's wait. And we need to select as India. Click on yes. We need to select as English India and click on yes. Click on skip. Yes, here showing that first of all, how would you like to set up? So there are two options showing here. So if you want to set up as a personal use, you can select as a personal Microsoft account. But I want to select as a setup for an organization. It will be access the whole organizations like on email network types of different types it can access. So that's why I'm going to select as a setup for an organization, and we need to click on this next. Here after that, here you need to click on this domain join instead. You need to mention your name, Lohit. Click on enter. I'm going to enter the password. Click on enter. So here you can mention any question, and you can mention SKP. I mention what is your childhood name. Here they are asking some other question. I'm going to mention these three questions, and after that you need to click on this next. And here you need to click on this not now. Click on enter, and then you need to click on this accept. Here you need to click on this skip. Click on not now. See, now the Windows 10 software has installed in VMware Workstation Pro, and after that, after the install has done in VMware Workstation Pro, here what we need to do is, first of all, here you need to create a new user account. So first of all, here you need to click on this Shift plus R. Sorry, it's a Windows plus R. Here you need to mention as a lusrmgr.msc. That means it's a local users and groups. So first of all, now you need to click on this enter. Go to users. First of all, right click and click on new user. So instead I'm going to enter my username is Buddy. So in this description I'm going to enter as a Buddy is the new user of PC1. So okay, and after that you need to create your own password. You need to untick as a change password, and you need to select as a password never expires. Click on create. First of all, you need to copy this thing here, except your username, and click on create. Click on close, and after that, in the same way, you need to create another user. I'm going to enter the another username is Venkat. So Venkat is the new user of PC1. I'm going to create a new password to this account. You need to untick as a change password. Click on password never expires. Click on create. Click on close. So, and after that, here the administrator is there now. So administrator is currently it's disabled. So now we need to enable this administrator. So you need to select this administrator. Right click, go to properties. Here they're showing that the account is disabled is there now. So you need to untick as a account is disabled. Click on apply and click on OK. Now the administrator account is enabled. So that means you need to create a password in administrator. Select this administrator, right click, click on set a password, click on proceed, create a new password. Click on OK. Your password has been set. Click on OK, and after that you need to create a firewall settings. You need to enable as a firewall settings. For firewall settings means you need to click on the Windows plus R and mention firewall.cpl. So in the firewall.cpl you need to go to this advanced settings. Go to this inbound rules, scroll down. You need to select this option as a file and printer. In the same way you need to select as a file and printer. It's a IPv for ICMPv for it's so you need to enable these two, and after that you need to click on close it. And coming to the next point, I have created two users now. So in these two users I want to make a user to admin. In these two user I want to make one user as a admin. So that means first of all here you need to go to the lusrmgr local.msc. That means it's a local users and groups. Click on go to users. So instead of I have select as a Buddy account. So first of all you need to go to this properties. So you need to remove this new users and you need to mention as administrator. and go to member of options. Here users option is there now, so you need to select this users option, click on remove, click on add. You need to mention as a administrators. Administrators. Click on check names, click on OK, click on apply and click on OK. So now the Bade is the administrator account. So first of all, now I'm going to log on to this Bade account. So now I'm going to click on this, close it. Right click, go to profile and click on sign out. Now you need to log on to the Bade account. Click on, go to this Bade account. You need to enter the password. See, now the Bade account has been logged in successfully. So after that, we are going to explain as a clone. So first of all, here what we need to do is you need to power off these two, power off this system. Click on accept, and after that, now you need to power off this PC1. Click on shutdown. See, now my PC1 has shut down successfully, and after that, now we are going to explain as a clone. So clone is an exact copy of an existing viral machine. It is includes as an operating system. It is installed as a application, settings and files. There are two types of clones are there. First one is fully clone. Full clone is a completely independent copy. And coming to the second point is linked clone. So linked clone is sharing virtual disk data with the parent of a virtual machine and use less storage. So these are advantages of this clones are saves installation time, easy backup, users for testing, and create a multiple identical virtual machines. And now how to configure a Windows 10 clone in VMware. So I have already created as a Load PC1 now. So you need to select this PC1, right click, go to manage and click on clone, click on next. So click on next. You need to select as a create a full clone wizard, and after you need to click on this finish, and instead of virtual machine name, I'm going to mention the another name in virtual machine, Lohit PC2. I'm going to mention as a Lohit PC2. So click on copy this, click on browse, And you need to select Load PC and click on new folder, mention Load PC2, click on OK and click on finish. Now the cloning is installing in VMware Workstation Windows 10. So let's wait. Click on close. Now first of all, now here you need to log on to this Load PC2. Click on OK. Click on OK. But after you have created as a Windows 10 clone, you can directly log on to this users only. So but you should not create any new users in a clone. See, now the PC2 has power on successfully. I'm going to log on to this Buddy account. In the same way, you need to power on this Load PC1 also. Click on OK. Okay. Now coming to the next point. You need to go to this network properties. In this network properties, here we need to mention or create a new IP address only. So I'm going to show you right now. First of all, IPv4 address. So I'm going to show you right now. So let's first of all, you need to go to this ncpa.cpl. You need to click on this ncpa.cpl. In the Windows PC1 also, you need to go to this network properties only. So a minute. And you need to log on to this Buddy account. And you need to go to this network properties. So first of all, we are going to briefly explain about the network properties. So in IPv4, so network properties is actually there are many types of properties are there, especially like IPv4. So IPv4 is the mostly common protocol which is used to identify the devices on a network. In this Windows, you need to go to this IPv4 settings and are found in the network properties. So first of all, now we are going to this IPv network properties ncpa.cpl. Click on enter. You need to go to this internet option, right click and go to properties. Here they are showing that Internet Protocol version 6 is there. So you need to untick as a Internet Protocol version 6, and then you need to select as a Internet Protocol version 4. You need to, after you have selected as a IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4, you need to click on this properties and you need to select as a use the following IP address. For example, I am going to create my own IP address 192.168.1.10 I am mentioning. In the same way, you need to select the subnet mask. It will be automatically generated as a 255.255.255.0, and after that you need to click on this OK. Click on close. Now let's refresh it. Okay. Now there is no internet access. Here they're showing now. So in the same way, you need to go to this PC2. Select internet. Right click, go to properties. You need to untick as a IPv6. Select IPv4. Go to properties. Select use the following IP address: 192.168.1.20. I am mentioning. So go to the subnet mask. It will be automatically generated at 255.255.255.255.0, and click on OK and click on close. Okay. And now coming to the next point, you need to go mention the PC name. You need to create the PC name. So how to create the PC name is, first of all, you need to go to this Windows plus R. You need to go to this system properties, sysdm.cpl. You need to go to this sysdm.cpl. Click on change. You need to enter PC1. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on close. Click on restart. In the same way, you need to go to the system properties, sysdm.cpl. Click on change. Mention PC2. Click on OK. Click on restart and click on close. Click on restart now. See, now you need to log in right now. Low it. See, first of all, we need to check whether the PC1 and PC2 are connected or not. So first of all, we need to check it. If you want to check it, means first of all you need to go to the CMD. You need to mention IP config. In the same way, you need to go to this PC2, login. And now you need to go to this command prompt. CMD command prompt. You need to mention as IP config. Here 192.168.1.20. I have created a new IP now. So in this PC1 I have mentioned as a 192.168.1.10. So first of all, whether this PC1 is connected to PC2 or not, so we need to check it. We need to check means, so first of all, you need to mention ping 192.168.1.20. See, okay. Now the PC1 is connected to PC2. In the same way, you need to check on this PC2 is connected to PC1 or not. We need to check it. So first of all, you need to mention as a ping 192.168.1.10. Click on enter. Okay, now finally the PC1 and PC2 are connected successfully. Okay, that's all guys for the today's video. Stay tuned for the next video. And those who all are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a bell icon from here. And thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone. Yeah.